In this video, you'll learn how to change your name inside your Google account. If you find this helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. So what you can do is you can navigate to google.com inside your browser. So you can also do this on your PC or tablet, but I'm using my phone right now. So once you're on google.com, you have to go to the top right and click on your profile picture. Then once you're in here, you can click on manage your Google account. Then in this little top bar, you have to choose personal info and click on it. Then once you're in here, you'll see your name, your date of birth, and your gender. And you can just click on your name. Here you can also pick a nickname, but you can also change your actual name. So let's change it. My name is Dojo, let's change it. So let's click on my name. And then I'll have to verify first. And then I can just edit the name. So let's say I want to add something or delete something, boom, boom. Then once you're done, you just press the save button and then it will change your name. And that's it. That's how you change your name inside your Google account. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like.